All right, folks, we're going to do our practical test right now, dry run without using any propane. It's basically a leak check. We have our battery connected as far as this goes. We have our inlet and our outlet. We have our filters. And we have our supply and return. So right now we're going to go ahead and turn on the water to give it some fill. We're going to have a constant flow until it fills up the water reservoir. We want the water to go in. Has plenty of suction to draw it in, so now it's a little noisy, so sorry about that. Here we go. Now you see the water starting to go in. You start filling up these two. The filters have been removed. God damn it! Told you. Sorry about that, folks. A new addition to the family, and it's still working out their kink. Beg my French, that startled me. Now what it's going to do is we'll keep pulling that water in. That's the new doggy. I'm going to call her Gigi. Looks just like JoJo, doesn't it, guys? Yep. We didn't want to call it JoJo, so we're going to call her Gigi. Still drawing water in. That's a good thing. It's not leaking anywhere that I can tell. So that's a good thing, I suppose. Hold in the water. Now we dispense the water. As you see here. It will be primed, that's what this is. The puppies. So that's completely full, no more water. See the bubbles going out. That's the unit itself. Still going through here. Still filling up. Just start pulling a few moments. Remember, fresh water. See any major leaks, so I'm trying to figure out where the oxygen is going. bit of air getting in somewhere. I gotta figure out where that is. Alright, folks. Fully filled up. Oh, there's a leak right there. Stop it. We got right there the quick disconnect. We'll fix that going with our trip. Stand by one. Alright, folks. We got our water system going. We have a couple places we're dripping, and at the quick connect at the amplifier is leaking. So we'll come back after we fix the leaks, but test shows okay. Alright, folks, we have ourselves a water purification system. We can also use the purifier and not use the shower part. We have the pump right there. We can bypass that also. So, alright, folks, now we got a way to clean water and to take a shower. No preparedness here.
Biden. Mask. I might need that. Hello, Michigan.
And remember, folks, it can happen from the north, it can happen from the south, it can happen from the east, or coming from the west. Always be prepared. And if you've enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up button. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell, or I'll be out there waiting for you to come to me. Admiral Preparedness, God bless you all.